hair, skin, and nails. When we talk about these topics, there is one vitamin that always seems to come up, biotin. But did you know that its main function goes far beyond appearance? And there is also something about biotin that many people discover too late. Today, we're going to unbox this Solgar Biotin supplement containing 10,000 micrograms, learn what biotin really is, how it works in our body, where we can naturally find it, and why it has become one of the most popular supplements on the market. This is Nutri-Intelligence. Before we begin, it's important to clarify that this video is for informational purposes only and does not replace the advice of a qualified healthcare professional. Let's start with the unboxing. Here we have the box containing the product from the official lab nutrition store. This is Solgar Biotin with 10,000 micrograms per serving. Let's open the box. Inside, we find the glass bottle of biotin along with the purchase receipt. The regular price is approximately $26. It's always a good idea to check that the product arrives properly sealed and in good condition. Let's remove the cardboard packaging around the bottle. And look, here we have the bottle with the capsules and all the information provided by the manufacturer. It says high-potency biotin, 10,000 micrograms. By the way, micrograms are commonly abbreviated as mcg. The label also states that biotin supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. We can also see some other features. Non-GMO, meaning it does not contain genetically modified organisms, gluten-free, no wheat or dairy, suitable for vegans, 60 vegetable capsules, and it is classified as a dietary supplement. The label states that biotin is a water-soluble B vitamin that supports the health of the skin, nails, and hair, while also participating in the normal function of certain enzymes. It also says that biotin helps the body convert food into energy and participates in the metabolism of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. As stated on the bottle, these claims have not been evaluated by the FDA, and this product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. The label also indicates that the product is manufactured in the United States. Among the other ingredients, we find microcrystalline cellulose, vegetable cellulose, silica, and vegetable magnesium stearate. It is also free of gluten, wheat, dairy, soy, yeast, sugar, sodium, artificial flavors, sweeteners, and artificial colors. I've noticed that some other brands do contain some of these ingredients. Regarding the dosage, the label says that adults should take 1 capsule daily, preferably with a meal, or as directed by a healthcare professional. The 10,000 microgram amount is quite high compared with the amount found naturally in foods, so it's especially important not to use a supplement as a substitute for a balanced diet. Now let's remove the safety seal. We open the bottle, and we can see that there is an additional protective seal inside. I really like how this product arrived. Solgar has clearly paid attention to the presentation. The gold details and the glass bottle make the product feel very well presented. Let's remove the seal. And this is what the capsules look like. They are white. But before we talk more about the supplement, let's first understand what biotin actually is. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or vitamin H, is a water-soluble vitamin that belongs to the B complex family. Its main function is to help the body convert the food we eat into usable energy for our cells. So, how does it work in the body? Every time we consume carbohydrates, fats, or proteins, our body needs to process them so we can use their nutrients. This is where biotin comes into play. It participates in several metabolic reactions that allow our body to use these nutrients. It's a small but important part of a much larger system called metabolism. In fact, without vitamins such as biotin, our body would have difficulty carrying out some of the metabolic processes involved in using the nutrients from the foods we eat every day. So, why has biotin become so popular? If you've ever searched for information about hair, skin, or nails, you've probably come across biotin. That's because biotin plays a role in processes related to tissues that are constantly renewing themselves. However, many people buy biotin supplements thinking only about hair growth, when its primary role is actually related to metabolism and the processing of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. So, although biotin is often associated with appearance, it participates in much broader functions throughout the body. And as always, it's important to remember that results can vary from person to person and that a balanced diet remains essential. So, where can we find biotin naturally? Some people believe that the only way to get biotin is through supplements, but it is also naturally present in a variety of foods. These include cooked eggs, almonds and walnuts, salmon, legumes, seeds, cauliflower, and sweet potatoes. That's why a balanced diet remains one of the main ways to obtain this vitamin. And this raises an interesting question. If we can get biotin from food, why do supplements like this one exist? The answer is simple. Many people are looking for a convenient way to supplement their daily intake, especially because modern eating habits and lifestyles have changed considerably. The nutritional value of foods can also vary depending on factors such as agricultural practices, soil conditions, storage, and processing. In this case, we're looking at a supplement that provides 10,000 micrograms per capsule. There are also other formulations available, such as 5,000 micrograms. And now comes the fact that many people don't know. High doses of biotin can interfere with certain laboratory tests. That's why, if you're taking a biotin supplement and you're going to have medical tests, it's important to tell your doctor or the laboratory. This allows them to take the supplement into account when interpreting your results. And before taking any supplement, it's always a good idea to read the manufacturer's instructions and consult with a healthcare professional about whether it is appropriate for you and how often you should take it. That way, we can use supplements responsibly and safely. And that's how we wrap up this unboxing of Solgar Biotin, with 10,000 micrograms per capsule. Today, we learned what biotin is, how it participates in our metabolism, where we can find it naturally, and some important things to know before choosing a biotin supplement. Now you know that biotin isn't just a vitamin associated with hair. It also participates in important metabolic processes that help our body use the nutrients we consume every day. And what about you? Did you already know these facts about biotin? Have you ever used a biotin supplement? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more unboxings, supplements, and informative content. I'll see you in the next video. This is Nutri Intelligence.